Hi guys, this is Slikhaar TV. I'm here with Dom and Mette, and today we're going to take inspiration from the football players Matthijs De Ligt from Juventus. Are you up for it?
Yeah, 100%.
And Mette, you're gonna do some scissor cut?
Yeah, only scissors today.
Let's get to it. Now the hairstyle is done. So Dom, how do you think about it?
I mean, like, Mette did definitely a good job. I mean, like, I can't remember the last time I felt so fresh.
Awesome. As always, remember to write in the comment section down below what you think about the hairstyle. Also give the video a like, be a subscriber to the channel, and we'll pick out a random comment next week for free nice by Vilain hair products. See you guys next time.